Hello, Roman Scorpion here. I actually had one of the subscribers go ahead and send me this. It's a LEXIN G2P Bluetooth intercom system. Seems pretty decent, pretty straightforward. Don't know what the quality is. Never had one before of this type. I've had other manufacturers, other makes. Seems like it's packaged pretty well. They spent some time on it, at least a little bit. The unit itself, rather large book. Looks like it's in 5 different languages. This package here, cords, mounting clips. Looks like the speakers, headset. Looks like there's 2 microphones. We got a boom mic and a stick-on mic. I'm going to go ahead and see a little bit more about this. It looks like there's different colors that you can change this to, I guess, to match your helmet or your mood or whatever you're feeling. I'm going to get this thing installed and get back to you. Alright, yeah, I got it installed. I used a clip instead of the 3M mounting plate. I installed the microphone right down in there. There's a little void down in there where it fit perfectly. The speakers mounted in flush, not sticking out really at all from what the pad did by itself. So the pockets in the fly helmet fit those speakers perfectly. Did get a little bit of crackling while on the ride. I'm not really sure. I'm going to double check it, make sure it's not the microphone where it plugs in to the harness itself. It may have loosened up or alike when being installed. I may just go ahead and put a small wrap of tape on it just to keep it in place. But it seems to be pretty decent so far. I hope this kind of gives somebody an idea on what they are. I'd like to thank Ron for sending me this unit to give a try, and I'll see what it looks like and how it functions over the next couple days to a week, and I'll report back. I appreciate everybody. Ride safe.